What equipment can handle really huge trees? What does this incredible process look like? I'll show you some truly powerful equipment that won't give any tree a chance. From incredible excavators to a saw tractor that's bigger than the tree itself, but that will be at the end. But how does the whole process actually work? Removing large trees is a complex and multi-step job. It requires powerful specialized equipment and careful preparation. It all starts with assessing the condition of the tree and the surrounding conditions to choose the best method for its removal. It's important not just to cut down the tree, but also to uproot its roots to completely clear the area for further work. How does this happen? In the early stages, equipment like excavators or cranes is used, especially if the tree is located close to buildings or power lines. In some cases, when there's no room for a complete tree fall, it's removed in parts, starting from the top. Chainsaws and grips help control the process and prevent property damage. Let's start with the classics. Reiko RG80. This is a more advanced stump removal grinder designed for professional use in challenging conditions. It is equipped with a gasoline engine with a power of 85 horsepower, making it an excellent choice for stump removal after cutting down really large trees or clearing areas for construction. The machine features a high level of maneuverability thanks to its tracked platform, which allows it to easily move over uneven and slippery surfaces, including mud and sandy areas. The cutting area of the RG80 grinder spans up to 178 centimeters, allowing for the effective removal of even huge stumps. Can you imagine the size? A cutting depth of up to 60 centimeters allows for complete removal of the underground part of the stump, leaving behind clean and ready-to-work soil. The Reiko RG80 is used in various locations, including large forest areas, construction sites, and park zones, where it's necessary to quickly and effectively clear the land. But what to do? If the toys on the control panel become insufficient, the John Deere 333G compact track loader will come to the rescue. This is a powerful compact track loader that is often used for stump removal in challenging landscape conditions. Although its main purpose is to perform various tasks on construction and excavation sites. Thanks to compatible attachments, it also handles stump removal exceptionally well. The loader is equipped with a 100 horsepower diesel engine and has high torque, making it ideal for working with heavy and dense stumps. The main feature of using the John Deere 333G for stump removal is the ability to equip it with a special stump grinder. This attachment allows for grinding the stump and its roots into small pieces, completely removing it from the ground. The grinder connects to the machine's hydraulic system, providing high power and work speed. Due to its maneuverability and compact size, the loader can reach even hard-to-access areas on the site where traditional equipment may struggle. The 333G's tracked platform provides excellent ground traction, allowing it to work on soft or uneven surfaces without the risk of getting stuck. This is especially useful when working in forested or rural conditions, where swampy or sandy areas are common. And what would we do without excavators? The Caterpillar 308CR is a fairly compact unit that is often used for tree removal and stump extraction due to its high power and versatility. This mini excavator is equipped with a CATC 3.3B diesel engine with 70.3 horsepower, featuring direct injection and liquid cooling, which ensures high performance even under heavy loads. This allows for effectively handling heavy tasks on construction and forestry sites. The model features a hydraulic system with variable pump flow and a maximum bucket digging force of 6 tons, allowing it to effectively tackle heavy tasks like removing roots and tree trunks. A key feature is the ability to install a hydraulic grab or logging shears, which allow the excavator to grasp and cut tree trunks, as well as uproot roots. These attachments allow for the quick removal of large trees, cutting trunks, and disposing of them without the need for additional equipment. The Caterpillar 308CR can also be used for root removal thanks to its powerful hydraulic drive, which allows for easy soil tearing and extraction of even large root systems. The track width is 450 millimeters, which helps minimize surface damage during movement. The maximum travel speed reaches 5.1 kilometers per hour, ensuring quick movement on the job site. The maneuverability of the Caterpillar 308CR excavator makes it indispensable in hard-to-reach areas, such as forests or rural territories. Thanks to its compact size and tracked platform, the machine can work effectively on truly challenging surfaces and in tight spaces without damaging the surrounding landscape. But, as you understand, it can't handle really huge trees. That's where the big brother comes in. The Bobcat E165 is a much larger excavator that is perfect for working with big trees due to its power and functionality. It is powered by a 131 horsepower diesel engine, which offers high performance at low RPMs, making it an effective tool for tree and root removal tasks. The Bobcat E165 is most often equipped with additional attachments for more efficient tree removal. These include hydraulic buckets, grapples, mulchers, and powerful stump grinders. Using such equipment allows the excavator to easily tear up the soil and extract large tree root systems intact. This is especially useful on sites where complete root removal is necessary to prepare the land for construction or landscaping work. Why? You can't lay a good foundation if you don't deal with the roots in the ground. Hydraulic grapples allow for effective uprooting, leaving trees no chance. The tracked platform provides excellent traction on the ground, allowing work even on uneven and challenging surfaces. But if the excavator is just a universal solution, what do you say about specialized equipment? Look at this marvel. Jarov All-Terrain Tree Trimmer is a specialized machine designed for removing trees and branches in challenging and hard-to-reach landscapes. The main feature of this equipment is the long telescopic boom, which can reach heights of up to 23 meters. The boom is equipped with a cutting head, allowing for effective removal of branches and trees at great heights without getting too close to the object. This is especially important when working near power lines, roads, or other structures where careful tree removal is required to avoid damage. The Jarov All-Terrain Tree Trimmer is designed to work on various types of surfaces. It is equipped with a tracked platform or a wheelbase with improved mobility, allowing it to easily navigate uneven, muddy, or swampy terrain. You simply choose the platform that suits your needs. The Jarov cutting head is equipped with a disc saw system that can easily cut through thick branches and even the trunks of small trees. The machine is operated from the operator's cabin, making the process as safe and convenient as possible. Additionally, the machine can operate remotely at a significant distance from the operator, which reduces risks for personnel, especially when working in hazardous areas. And if the tree is a meter tall, you can't take it down with a small saw. Here, the Fein FTX150 comes to the rescue, which is widely used for clearing forested areas, preparing land for agricultural needs or construction, as well as for removing the aftermath of storms and other natural disasters. This tractor is capable of handling dense forest growth thanks to its combination of high power and maneuverability. The machine comes with a reliable 3.2-liter diesel engine, producing 150 horsepower, which allows it to easily perform complex tasks related to wood and root removal. One of the key features of the Fein FTX150 is its ability to effectively use various types of attachments, including mulchers, stump grinders, and cutters. This allows it not only to uproot trees but also to grind them on the spot, turning trunks, branches, and roots into fine chips, which significantly simplifies the disposal of wood waste and reduces transportation costs. The FTX150's tracked platform is quite reliable and provides increased mobility and stability in marshes or on steep slopes. This allows the machine to operate effectively even in challenging conditions where traditional wheeled equipment may struggle. And here's another specialized beast. The Bandit Model 5000 forest remover is a large machine designed for forestry work and clearing large areas of land. Thanks to its powerful cutting system, this equipment effectively handles the destruction of trees, shrubs, and other dense vegetation. The machine is equipped with a 5.6-liter diesel engine with up to 500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful models in its class. It is equipped with massive cutting discs and mulching heads that can shred trees with a diameter of up to 35 centimeters. This allows not only to uproot and destroy trees, but also to turn them into fine chips, which can be used later for forestry needs or disposal. One of the key advantages of the Bandit Model 5000 is its performance over large areas. Thanks to its high power and performance, the machine can process several hectares of land in a single workday, making it indispensable for clearing large forest areas. Additionally, the shredding system eliminates the need to transport cut trees, as they are processed on-site immediately. The machine's tracked base provides excellent traction on the ground and allows it to operate even in challenging areas, such as uneven or swampy land. High mobility and power make the Bandit Model 5000 the ideal choice for working in forests, clearings, or in conditions where traditional equipment may struggle. And finally, Model Ditch RT125. This is a powerful and versatile tractor equipped with a Cummins F engine, 3.8 liters, with a power of 121 horsepower, which meets the environmental standards EPO Tier 4 Final and EU Stage 5. The transport features a hygrostatic transmission with 2 speeds and planetary differentials with rear steering, making it ideal for working on various types of terrain. The RT125 can be equipped with a variety of attachments, including trenchers, plows, earth saws, backhoes, and reel lifts, allowing it to be used for a wide range of tasks. This makes it in demand on construction sites and for clearing forests, where high performance and adaptability are required. The machine's design ensures operator comfort, even during long hours of work, thanks to the ergonomic seat that rotates with the control panel and the climate control system in the cabin. The RT125's ability to dig trenches up to a maximum depth of 2,463 millimeters and a width of up to 610 millimeters makes it an ideal tool for installing cables and pipes, as well as for removing roots from large trees. The machine is also equipped with a cruise control system that automatically adjusts the speed based on engine load to optimize performance on different soils. The sturdy frame construction and the presence of rollover protection ensure safety and durability in operation. Which machine surprised you the most? Be sure to write in the comments. After all, working with wood is always a fascinating sight. And yes, if you love technology, can write interesting stories, edit, or voice videos, then head over to the Telegram bot via the link in the description. I would be very happy to collaborate with you. And a huge thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because there's still a lot of interesting content ahead.